Okay, welcome back, guys. I want to cover a couple of things with you and share some things that I've done. First of all, we turned her up. We went from a 3.0 pulley to a 275. Hopefully that helps me in the first 330 foot and helps the reaction time a little bit. But right before the race last time, I changed the rotors on her. The rotors, the stock rotors, were shot. They were burned up and were causing problems. And I was doing a little research, and the factory rotors, the Mopar rotors, man, them things are $1,000 a piece almost. And I didn't want to buy no cheap ones, so I was talking to the guys at Summit. He says, "Well, we got some rotors." Shut up, Cooper. That's my Chihuahua in there raising hell. And he says, "We got some nice set of rotors from Australia." And he says they're one piece. You have to use your center hub. He says, I asked him if they were good. He says, "Yeah, man, these things are nice." So I ordered a pair. They're like half the price of the Mopar rotors, and I ordered a set of them. Man, these things are nice, and I just wanted to share that with you. They're like a little less than $400 a piece, so you get both rotors for less than half of what you would pay for the motors, and they're really nice, and I wanted to share them with you. And I'll show them to you. I'll show you the box they came in. You have to ask for them. They don't show them on their website, so you have to call up Summit and ask for the rotors themselves. Like I said, they're one piece, and you have to use the center hubs off of your old rotors. These are really nice. They look just like the Mopar units. They're not cheap Chinese crap like everybody else sells. Damn, I can't even speak this morning. But here's the boxes they come in. DBA disc brakes from Australia, and I'll show you on the car here. I didn't have time last time to show them to you when I was putting them on, but they're really nice and they work really well. And if you look at them, they look just like the Mopar rotors. Like I said, you got to use your center hub, but these things are really nice and they stop well. I did buy the expensive Brembo pads and put on there, but look at the rotors, really thick and they're really nice. So I just wanted to share that with you. So that's just a tip. You get both rotors for less than half of the Mopar rotors. They look just like them. They're just as thick. They're really nice. So if you're in the market for new rotors for less than half the price, you can get these from Australia. Like I said, you have to call up Summit and tell them you want the Australian rotors. Okay, let's take a look at this new pulley we got on her. Went from 3.0 down to 275. What do y'all think? How much boost that's going to add? We don't know. We'll find out. I can definitely tell the difference in the way it moves off the line and the power. It's definitely adding more power. I wanted to share something else with you. If y'all are anybody wants to run damn, I can't even think. My mind is just slow. I've got a doctor's appointment today. I'm sorry. The X5 Insta3 XT5 camera on the back and taking some videos. You search for a mount, and there's a variety of them on Amazon. And I bought this one here for $68, and it's got the pump up suction cups on it, and there's 3 of them. And the suction cups work really well. That extends out, and the only problem I had, if you look right here, this piece right here is kind of flimsy, and I put some just some water pump clamps on there to stabilize it. But these are really sturdy. I mean, this thing is on there when you pump these up. It works really well. I'm gonna make a solid piece to replace this right here. It's 1/4 20 screws that bolt in here, and that's the only issue that I have with it. And it works really well for $68. In the Insta360 mount, they're like $300. That's just a tip if you're going to run an Insta360 camera. And this extends out. This thing comes way out here. In the last post I made, I was using that. That's just another tip. I thought about buying another one and getting 2 more suction cups. It's only $68, but it works really well. So that's just another tip. I'm also thinking about going down to Bradenton for the FL2K race. I just found out about it. That damn plane going over. I found out about it today, and they've already sold out and maxed out on the car count. I would have maybe taken the car down there because I have no idea what it's all about and what kind of racing they do. But I might drive down there and get y'all some footage of the race this weekend and see what it's about and be prepared next year. I didn't even hear anything about it, so if y'all are interested in that, let me know. I'm getting closer to 1,000 on my subscriber. I should have said that first off because people probably ain't even going to watch this far into the video, but if you do, thanks for all my subscribers, all 330, and it only takes a second to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel, so please do. Thank you all, and I'll get you some good footage if I go down to Bradenton for the race. Thank you all. Have a good day.